Tamirat Tola ጀግናችን
37k was some 26 seconds and his last split was 2:46.
So his time at 20k was 1:50.
ያምራል Tamirat
Well, let's have a look at the gap. There's Tamirat Tola taking that sharp left-hand turn.
ያው ጋፑን አይስተጊ ይውጋው ገና ይዞሩ ነው ገና እሱንም ሞስነት ሊቀድም ነው ይቀርመዋል ሁለተኛ ነው የሆነው ሞስነት
surging ahead of Levins. He's back in fourth place, top of picture. The bottom of picture here is
ሞስነት አይዞን
of Belgium with Geremu. They are in second and third. Fourth and fifth is Cameron.
አይደለ አብዲላ ሶማሊያዊ ቢሆን ነው ለቤልጂየም ነው ግን የሚሮጠው ቤልጂየም ነው ሞስነት በለጠው ሞስነት በልጧል ሁለተኛ ኢትዮጵያ አንደኛም ኢትዮጵያ በልጦታል ኦሬዲ ጉልበቱ ያስታውቃል እንደሚበልጥ Tamirat Tola ይላል the leader man
from Tamirat Tola. Well, the current pace 2:59 per kilometre is heading for 2:06.32. The course record, or the championship record, I should say, of Abel Kirui from Berlin 2009 is in distinct danger now. It looks like Tola will set a new championship record. But we thought it was on the cards until we saw the first hour of this race, which was so concerning.
አሸንፈ ቆይታል
Maybe it was safe.
Yeah, but through halfway, if they picked it up by about a minute or so, they could
look at the length for that stride.
አንበሳው
Lovely and relaxed in the upper body.
አንበሳው
Tell a different story.
through 38k
ትችላለህ የኢትዮጵያ ኩራት
So Tola doesn't seem to be too bothered about getting a drink there.
ስጠው በደንብ ይውዩ ያበረታቱት ነው
From the Ethiopian officials, they're bouncing on their feet. Got it to him. And it is critical. It's so important to keep those fluids going in, just to stave off any cramps in the latter stages. But Mark Coogan, you were up alongside that battle for the minor medals. 4 athletes locked together. Who's looking best? It's an incredible capital Berlin in 2009. But this run from Tola, in particular, this powerful surge over the last 20 minutes is what has dragged him into championship record territory. He has no need to look behind him. There's nothing to see. Empty road behind the Ethiopian as he storms through these final kilometres to what will be a very, very comfortable, wonderfully impressive victory. Surely, barring disaster, the gold is his.
And the chasing group won't be able to see Tola. He's out of sight, out of mind. And this is one of the tactics of marathon racing. You need to get away, get out of sight.
ወስነት አይዞን
Meanwhile, it looks like Cameron and Levins.
ወስነት አይዞን ችግር የለውም ይበልጣል ይሄን አይዞን ወስነት አይዞን
And I tell you what, if he has negotiated that down slope, you can see an Eritrean flag in the back.
ስላላችሁ ሁለተኛው ነው ወስነት
Dominating the latter stages, or East African born athletes dominating the latter stages of this World Championship marathon. But Tola here, the acceleration over the last 6 or 7 kilometers has been so extreme. He's in danger here of going under 2:06. He is going to take many seconds off the championship record. There's no doubt about that now.
And we've got splits for Abdi and Geremu, Tim. 3 minutes for them exactly through the last 1k. So they're not hanging around.
Tamirat Tola Olympic medals at 10,000 meters. He has a world championship medal from 2017. He ran a 59:46 half marathon back in April in Germany. He was third in Tokyo back in March behind, picking up the pace. He's enjoyed this downslope along Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. And the finish line awaits him, this beautifully constructed finish arch here beside the Otson Stadium. Awaits him and awaits these men. 2 of them will get medals. And it looks at the moment like the silver and bronze will be shared between Abdi and Geremu. But in which order?
አይዞን አይዞን በጣም ትንሽ 800 ሜትር ብቻ 800 ሜትር ማለት ሁለት ዙር የሜዳው የሜዳውን ሁለት ዙር በቃ ትራክ እንዲህ ሁለት ዙር መዞር ብቻ
absolutely blitzed the second half. This will be the 5th consecutive World Championship medal.
ኮቹ ይሆናል እንግዲህ አይዞ ወንድሜ አለን እኛም አለን ይሄ አሰልጣኞቹ ናቸው ማጂታሚ አሉ አሮራጭ yes አንድ ዙር ይቀርባል ማለት ነው ስፒዱን ጨምሯል ሞራል የለም እንዴ ሞራል አለ በዛ ይሮጣል አሉ ይሄው በለጠ ጀግና ሁለተኛ ሞራል እንዴ ሞራልዮ ሁለተኛ በቃ ክፍተት ፈጠረ ጀግና ሙስነት ጎበዝ ኦሌ በታትኖት ይሄድን ብትንትን ነው ታዲያ ይሄው ሰላም እያለ ነው ገባ 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 ይላል እናት አነዳደው እናት ይዲላ ጀግናው ይኸው ባንዲራ አለን ባንዲራ እንዴው ሞራል አይደል ታምዬ ጎበዝ 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 ጀግናው ሁለተኛ ነው ያ በቃ ያምራል yes ሁለት ሰዓት ከአምስት ጎበዝ ጎበዝ እንኳን ደስ አለን ሞራል 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 አብራው ሞትስነት ይላል ጎበዝ ይላል ሞሲዬ ጎበዝ ሞሲ ሁለተኛ ጊዜ ኦሎምፒክ ብሮንዝ ሜዳሊስት ይችላል ቶላ ይችላል ቶላ ይችላል በላው ይችላል ገረመው ይችላል ሞስነት ይችላል ኢትዮጵያኛው መጣ እንደው ምን አለ አራተኛ ሊበልጥ ነው መሰለኝ አምስት ይሆናል ጎበዝ ሙሲዬ ጎበዝ ሲልቨር ሜዳል ጀግና ይላል ፖሊስ ብሮንዝ ራይደርሰውም እንደ ጨረሰው ታዲያ ጀግና ናችሁ ፍቅር ከናንተ ነው የምንማረው ጎበዝ ፍቅር አስተምሯቸው ጎበዝ እንኳን ደስ አለን ኢትዮጵያን ሁላችሁንም እንወዳችኋለን ኢትዮጵያ በአሜሪካ ምድር እንዲህ ባንዲራዋን ሰቅላ ያች እንኳን ደስ አላችሁ